What is happening, everybody? Quick update. This is on the 1 hourly here. We'll drop it out to 15er for just a minute. Beaner. And you can definitely see they had that 80. 80 is always, if you know nothing, if you there's nothing else you know about ES or don't care, all you need to know is we'll call them four, cook from the two basic levels of 35 and 80. Simply put, you can trade off those two levels and make money, and that's a good strategy. We also have 0, 6, and 64, and they've added some more things in here recently as well. But if you know nothing about ES or want to know nothing else, just at least remember 35 and 80 and maybe 0, 6, and 64. Okay, you had that 80. We already went over this earlier, up to 06. You can see that right here. 80 to 06. Retest 94. Almost pushed that 26 from that yellow band up. Got some resistance here at the top of the volume profile. Whatever that's called, I don't care. The greens are the volume profile. It's pretty uncanny when they line up with the levels in these blues. Those are some additional things. HTF open midpoints, these things. So it does look a little messy, but it just adds strength. And if you come up here and you're piercing through some shit, and you go pierce 1, 2, and you hit 3, there's pretty good chances you're gonna pull back in maybe to the next one or to the next one down. And then you've got, double here at 0, 0, so that's strong as well. A little more choppy here in between, but you can see that on the volume profile. That's the width of the volume profile. I don't know what this crap up here is, nor do I care. And then it's interesting enough, you see the base down here at 80. So keep these levels in mind. You can make this actionable trading any time of the day. There's some kind of trade that you could do, no matter if you trade morning, early, regular cash market, later, afternoon. It doesn't matter. We don't care. That's the thing with these colored bands, and the name coming very soon for you. We don't care when it is. That's the motto. We don't care what time it is. We don't care what's happened. We don't care when other people's trading. We don't care about any of that shit. All we know is we sit down and we see some shit that's actionable, and we can take it with little to virtually no research. You just gotta learn, 80, 35 up here, and you can do that with these or without these. Just pencil them in your damn charts. Do it now. I'm tired of talking about it. All right. So you got 80, 35 paradigm. You had the lift up again. Again, 94 may have taken up to 26, but you had 3 bands here. Got taken out from the top of the volume profile back down to mid and below. So you got 2010 right now on that move. You got some support here at 0, 6, and definitely a double band at 00. So right now you basically pushed inside of that move, 00 to 20, 20 to 10. And now back in the 10 to 20, had that chop a few days ago. Some good money to be made in these blue bands here, because you're getting like 10 points at a time, boom, 10 points, boom, 10 points, boom, 10 points. 10-point bands, and it presses up, it can chop a little bit inside of these. We like to see how these are layered on top of the existing levels. So yes, I can take some of these off, like the Bollingers. I've got those on. I don't have that. I could take that off if I wanted to. If I wanted to put it back on, I can put it back on. If I don't want to put it back on, I don't have to put it back on. So it gets a little cleaner. It gets a little cleaner. It gets a little cleaner, people. But I'm going to leave those back on myself, right? And there you go. You've had that snap down here, 20, down here to the 06 now level. You got 06 double support down here at 00 to 1/2. All right. this doesn't more clearly identify and show you the importance of these algo levels, I don't know what will. But I can just tell you right now that these are the levels that the algos are programmed to. Yeah, 80, 10, pull back slightly above. Okay, it didn't hit 86 exactly. It doesn't always, but you can see right there prior that they had that lift zone. Came back up again, 94, pierce, 006, 10, 20, pullback 6, bounce 610. Okay, can we do 620, 626, 635? That's the answer. You got again 00 down here and 94 double band support here. Getting a little bit choppy, but you do see the reason why it sold and why it's supporting here right now in the 06. I don't bullshit. These are been picked after many years of studying, and some of these came here recently. But if nothing else, keep in mind your majors. That's your 0, 0, 10, 20, 35, 80, right? And you want to do some minors, that is fine. You've got those on here as well. And those have been coming more majors also. 06, right? You got your 26, your 42, 47, 50, and 50 is definitely a major as well. So I forgot 47 and 50, 58, 64, 72, 86, 94. Holy moly, cowabunga, man, cowabunga. This is the roadmap to your future and your destiny here with the bomb. What? Yeah, we'll tell you more very soon. It's going to be very exciting to bring this out to everybody. Have a great day.